sedge meadows. The LeConte Sparrow does not flush often, save during the early and late hours of the day, and even in the height of courtship is conspicuously silent. Few observers are aware of how persistent the sparrow is in its well-known skulking habit. Now watch and listen closely, as we will show you a sight